morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Friday, TGIF. Wow, this seems like to be a really long week. I'm running a little late today than normal. What is normal? I don't know. I was working on the website last night, and for a good part of the day, actually. I revamped the urban spice section for easier perusal and navigation of the urban spice blends that I offer. I cleaned up some stuff. It looks like a real simple thing, but I work on some other stuff for behind the scenes. I didn't do any blending yesterday, but I will be doing some blending today. Last night, I prepared kari rasu, also known as Japanese curry, aka curry rice. I used my Japanese curry. Oh, it's really good. Big slices of carrot, big slices of potato, served over a white rice. Really good. Just the right amount of heat. Perfect. Tonight, I'm doing a meal that I was supposed to do, I think, on Tuesday, but I swapped it out with linguine with goodies. Tonight, I'm doing or preparing Nigerian Chicken Stew. This recipe also incorporates another one of my new blends, which we'll get to in a second. I can't remember the name of it. Oops. All right. I got urban spice blends going through my head, firing. So let's get to it. Dutch oven. Yes, the same Dutch oven from last night. Thank God I've got a dishwasher, which is me. On the ingredients list, some oil, some chicken thighs, some kosher salt, black pepper, some stock, half a red bell pepper, half of a yellow onion, and a couple of serrano chili peppers. We have some whole thyme, and this is one of the new blends, suya spice, also known as yaji. This is a West African curry. So these are the goodies. And the one thing is missing, because I used it in the linguine, is a couple Roma tomatoes, which I'll pick up later this morning. So this sounds really good. I've been looking forward to this one, even though I put it off a few days. Oh, yeah. So, yeah, a lot going on behind the scenes here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Urban Spice Blends, website updates, and yada, yada, yada. Continue. Okay, so on this Friday, this TGIF, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.